Hi, it's Peter Ellis, Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. Hope you enjoyed the weekend. Blue sky, sunshine. A lot of things that made it just a classic autumn weekend. Not only the blue sky and sunshine, seasonable temperatures in the 60s, the full hunter's moon that was out nice and bright, and the first widespread frost of the season. Some of you may actually have missed that, especially those of you in southern areas where the frost made it all the way down to the shoreline, especially in southwestern Connecticut. The growing season coming to an end fast this year. Matter of fact, that's the earliest frost, widespread heavy frost for north central Connecticut since 2004. It's now, okay to say that we could, see some of that, quote, Indian summer weather down the road. But I will tell you, the North Atlantic Oscillation is in a strong negative phase. That means a lot of strong cold fronts are coming down, and you got to watch a pattern like this. Number one, the fronts pack a punch, and there's one coming through here as we go into Thursday night. Heavy rain, localized flooding, the threat for some strong winds, an inch or two of rain. That's all going into Thursday evening. And then down the road, the same idea. And you always have to watch for that coastal nor'easter development in patterns like this. And you also have to watch out for the first flakes of the season somewhere in southern New England in patterns like this. So it's also a pattern that will deliver you some marvelous weather like we had over the weekend, like we had during the course of Monday. A little front going by during late afternoon and evening. A couple of you had some showers, especially in the northern four counties. But Tuesday and Wednesday are two great days. Thursday is a stormy day, especially later in the afternoon and at night. And then, if you like the weather we've been having, you'll love Friday and the weekend. So let's go through it. And you'll see that numbers got up there in that mid-upper 60 range across much of the state on Monday. We'll be, 39 to 49 for a general range into early tomorrow. So not as chilly as the past few nights, but certainly a cool start. No frost early tomorrow. And then highs tomorrow are right back there in the mid to upper 60s. Always a little cooler in the hilltops. It's sunny. It's a light breeze. It's another just awesome autumn day on Tuesday. Fine tomorrow evening. Again, you're always looking for that light jacket or sweatshirt. Temperature's not bad. Upper 40s, low 50s to start Wednesday. By the way, the average high is around 65 and the average low is around 45. Highs around or over 70 on Wednesday. Morning sun, some clouds mixed in the afternoon. Some of you go in the 70s on Wednesday for a fabulous day. And then here comes the strong front, strong southerly wind, more humid. Could be some showers coming in off the ocean. We could trap some moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, rotted up along the front coming in from the west. And so the heaviest action is going into Thursday evening. Downpours. There's some lightning, thunder possible, but the idea is a strong wind potential could knock out some power. Speaking of knocking out power, we had snow on October the 10th, 1979 in Connecticut. That winter had no snow basically at all, but 1804 had a snow hurricane on this day. Goshen had a foot. All right, Friday, it's back to the mid-60s and sunny on the 8-day forecast. How about a nice, sunny, beautiful weekend with highs in the 60s and overnight lows in the 30s and lower 40s. Oh, that would be just the same as this past weekend. October, colors are changing earlier than average. Of course, we just had our first widespread frost earlier than average. The average for up around Bradley is around October 20th. So this October is, perhaps going to deliver a color show, and it appears that the color show is going to be a really good one. We see a lot of reds around. Earlier color show than the past several years. So that's the very latest update. Gil, first thing on Tuesday morning with more. Hope you're feeling well. Bye.